If you'd like to see how I created this lovely, sparkly, green, gold, and white canvas, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube! So today I am going to be working on a 16 by 20 canvas, and it's going to be, the colors I'm using are going to be gold, white, and green. So this is called Holly Branch. I will have another green, but it's a little too bright. I think Kelly Green is what the person sent me. And I feel like this looks just like it to me. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm just squirting on some of this gold metallic folk art paint that I did purchase from Walmart. This bigger size bottle was about $5. It's actually one of my very favorite colors. It's just a very nice, deep, and it has like some little bit of sparkle to it, or more of a pearlescent feel to it. And I'm just taking my time and just spreading the paint and making sure that I get down to the corners. Be sure to do that because you don't want to have that white showing on the canvas, you know, the original color of the canvas. You want to cover that up all the way to the edges, because once you put it on the wall and you walk past it, you can still see the edge from a certain angle. So be sure to do that as well. And just kind of spread the paint however you see fit. If you want those brush marks, leave them. If you want it to be more even, just kind of get an even feel going. The thing about these abstract art paintings, you can just kind of go however your mood takes you or your creativity takes you. There's like no wrong way. Like, you literally cannot mess this up. As long as you're using the right colors that you decide that you want for your decor or for the mood or the vibe you were going for, you just kind of have fun with it. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding my white to the middle area of this painting, of this canvas. Now what you can do, you can let the first color that you lay down dry. It's up to you. Sometimes I do because I don't want them to kind of smear or blend together, but sometimes I don't care and that's what I'm going for. So I can't remember if I let this dry or not. I actually made this painting a few weeks ago and just kind of got around to editing this video. But I'm kind of just going over the gold just a little bit, just kind of just blending things in here. Now I'm adding the green, and I'm just gonna go ahead. I squirted on what I wanted to put on here. I probably could have put a little pinch more, but I'm just gonna take my brush and just kind of swipe it, cover the left side of this canvas. Now, I don't know if you noticed or not, but I am using a sponge brush. That's completely optional. It's just that with darker colors, for some reason, I like the way that the sponge brush lays down the darker colors. It's just something about it. Or sometimes I just prefer the sponge over the brush. So that's why I'm using a sponge instead. Liquid Glass by Triart. This does a wonderful job at making sure that the glitter and the crushed glass or the rocks or whatever you decide to use adheres to your canvas. So I really like this product. Some people use epoxy resin, That's very, very strong chemical, and I really prefer to use this liquid glass. You can purchase this at dickblick.com. This is the Ashland crushed glass from Michaels, and this is about $4.99. When I buy them, I try to get about 3 or 4 at a time, maybe even 5, because it sells out and they don't. Now, as far as the liquid fusion goes, I just kind of like to go like a nice little swivel motion. In the center, not too much, because I want some of this white to show, because the white all 3 of these colors are the colors of the school team. I think this is for like a principal or something for his office, so this was meant to match the school colors. So I still want some of that white to show. Okay, so now I'm going to add a little bit of the green glitter, because I think the green glitter would look nice in this area. So I'm just going to go with a hint of the green glitter to go along with the theme of the colors. And now I'm going to go in with some gold glitter. I really want to make sure it shows up on the green side, but on both sides. And I really like this gold, you know, and you don't have to put as many glitters as I am on here. I like to do the fine glitters last, because they really get in between. So after this, I will add one more glitter. But, you know, this is the part where you just add on everything that you want to make your painting have that really nice bling, that nice glimmer, that nice sparkle. So the more of the liquid glass or resin or Mod Podge or whatever you decide to use, the better if you plan on having a lot of glitter. And especially if you plan on having a lot of the crushed glass and the crushed mirror, because that's what really holds this in place. So this is my favorite part. I'm just going to continue to just go ahead and sprinkle everything on. And then I'm going to still go in with a little bit of holographic silver. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and let this sit, and then we'll come back and then I'll reveal it to you. Well, no, we're gonna go ahead and let this sit for a few hours. Then I'll go ahead and brush everything off and we'll see how everything turned out. Okay, so the painting has sat for plenty of hours. I want to say at least 4 or 5 hours. I have my glitter bin here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and tilt it in the bin, take my big fluffy brush, and we're gonna brush it down and see how this painting turned out. Okay, so I have the painting over my glitter bin, and I'm just going to brush it nice and firm until everything comes off that's not going to stay. And I'll brush it at different angles. Now usually I would have a fuller area of glitter in the middle, but I really wanted this white to show because that is a part of the color scheme. And I like to turn this in multiple directions, so that way I can make sure that I'm getting all the glitter and all of the fall off that needs to come off in every direction. So I just brush it and brush it for as long as I feel like I need to, and that's what I'll continue to do. And then I'll go ahead and I'll reveal this to you in the very next clip in this video. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of this 16 by 20 gold, white, and Kelly green canvas. And I really do like how the golds and the green glitters came together. I really do like the holographic silver that I decided to add. I was kind of questionable about that, but that holographic silver has so many different pretty colors that hit from it. So it's not just silver you're getting like a little bit of green, a little bit of gold, a little pinch of pinks. It's just so pretty. So I think this was a really nice hit. When I showed it to my customer, he was very impressed. He was very happy and pleased with it. I just wish I can get the feedback from how the principal or the counselor or whoever the person was and just see how it looks in their office. But I'm sure it looks very nice. But I thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, give it a thumbs up. Thanks, you guys. Please share it on Facebook. Hello to my new subscribers. Hello to all my subscribers. I'm so close to hitting 10,000. I'm very excited. Thanks again, you guys. MyRoyalRadiance.com, where we sell lip gloss, hand sanitizers, shoe charms, and much more. Use my coupon code ROYALBEAUTY10OFF for a special discount for my subscribers. Be sure to check out our website, CRTechnicalDefense.com, where we sell in-waistband gun holsters available in 4 different sizes. We also carry gun cleaning mats and much more. Use my special discount code VIBES, VIBES, for my subscribers. Be sure to check out my playlist. I have a whole playlist dedicated to all the canvas art work that I have done, and I also have some other really cool playlists that you may be interested in if you're interested in bling. Thanks again, you guys, for stopping by.